Watch out.
Muy bien.
We've never done anything like this. We have everything we think we need. Let's get started.
We're stuck. And there's cockroaches. Eek. Welcome to Loreto. Located in Baja California Sur on the east side of the peninsula, Loreto is the historic capital of the Californias and the first Pueblo Mágico on our road trip. Good morning! We are in downtown Loreto and today we're going to do a walking tour and learn about the history. Meet Carlos, our wonderful tour guide. He took us all around town, sharing stories about both Loreto and the entire peninsula's history. He even took us to this hidden mural. We all thoroughly enjoyed our tour, including Finnley. Carlos even had a few fun surprises for us. We stopped by a family-run restaurant where we received a crash course on making our own tortillas.
Don't toss it, you lay it like this. Simple.
And then we got to work.
Muy bien. Ajo, cebolla y tomate.
Garlic, tomato, and chile serrano.
It's not spicy.
Not spicy?
¿Cómo se dice spicy en español?
Picante.
Picante?
Picante.
And we
then we just stop at
Coronado,
How's your taco?
there's a place called La Serpiente.
Yeah.
The snake.
No.
It's very nice. So, you got one, and you guys being good, so I'm gonna give you
Hey, we like
a
you.
shooter.
For my working afternoon.
That's the working afternoon, 5 o'clock is already around the corner. Not really, but it's okay, who cares?
Salud!
Salud. Salud.
We finished the walking tour feeling a little more acquainted with Baja and excited to explore even more of the country. We slowly said our goodbyes to Loreto, topped up our resources, and made our way out of town for a very unexpected adventure. Today we are heading south of Loreto to Mesquite Canyon to go do some hiking. The drive is about 45 minutes and it weaves along the coast. There is beautiful views of the ocean and the islands out in the Sea of Cortez. It's a really beautiful drive.
We're having a hard time finding this place, so we're being helped on by a series of friendly locals.
We think we took a wrong turn and ended up down in a gravel pit. So we're just out scouting the road to make sure we don't get stuck and make sure we're taking the right road in.
Look at your back right tire.
Yep.
Do I have ground behind it?
Yep.
Okay.
I think we're back on track. We're stuck.
Yeah, I vote we bail on this if we get out.
Okay.
Let's go to the beach.
Okay. Your wheels are pointing this way, by the way.
Yeah, go over there.
Yeah.
Watch the tire on the tracking board. If I start to dig, let me know.
Okay. Nice, good job. You're on the tracking board. Woo! Stop, stop, stop. again.
Yeah, that worked.
Yeah.
I stopped before I dug ourselves into it this time.
Yeah. And we'll do it again until we get back up onto the road there. You're good? You're good? Nice! Don't come to Baja without traction boards. We learned that last time we were here. So that didn't quite go to plan. It's a little too late in the day for us to hike our way into the start of the trail. So we're going to drive back out and go to a beach that has an overlander spot, and then we'll take a crack at it tomorrow. We've made it to the beach. The horses.
So this
And dolphins.
Oh, I saw the spot.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
How's the water?
It's quite warm. It's rocky up to your waist and then it becomes sandy. I was a little worried about stingrays, so I kind of dove in and that was it, but I have the dirt off. We've come back to the spot we got stuck yesterday. We parked the van and we are going to be walking in. Because we couldn't make it all the way, that makes it a 16-kilometer hike, so it's going to be quite long. The second half of this hike is going to be through waist-deep water in spots. We've never done anything like this. We have everything we think we need. Let's get started.
So it looks like we are walking along a road that is also a dried up riverbed. It's very rocky, but there's beautiful views of the canyon mountain falls above us.
Walking for about an hour. That looks like the entrance up there. Let's go check it out.
Well, there it is.
So now that we're at water, we're gonna ditch our hiking boots, put on water shoes, and keep going.
Hey, Finnley! That's talented, buddy. You're doing great. Finnley's coming after you. Finnley's with you, he's behind you. Jake. Are you okay? Oh, we're swimming through a canyon. Oh, it's cold. And there's cockroaches. Eek.
So you might actually be able to climb over that. You okay?
Yeah. Please be careful. Finnley for sure can't get over there. Oh, nice work. Nope, nope, nope. This might be it. This might be where we end it. Oh, you gotta help him. Hey, bud. Well, always coming behind you. Hold on, what?
Yes, forward, yes. Yes, keep going.
We gotta get him back down here. I don't think this is a good idea. No, no. So we can't get Finnley up the waterfall easily and safely without hurting him or ourselves. Jake is bleeding because we tried. So we're each gonna take turns walking into the canyon a little bit more, and the other person is gonna stay behind with Finnley. Ooh. That one is way worse, so Finnley is definitely not getting up that. So I think we made a good choice.
So this hike was billed as a bit of a walk in and then a bit of a waist deep water with a small scramble and then a nice accessible trail. This is really hard. Finnley's screaming bloody murder. It's probably time to go back.
It's like a water slide.
My turn. I have the camera facing the wrong direction.
And we celebrate. See, buddy, we came back.
Oh my goodness. Oh, we got really beat up.
Got some blood right there. Some on my back.
And Finnley's happy again. All right, we're gonna make the swim back out. That's a cockroach. And that's another one. Oh, there's another one. Okay. Good boy. Good bud. Some horses just came to join us and they're currently getting a drink out of the canyon. I'm happy we left the canyon when we did. Was it good, Finnley?
So we're gonna make our way back to the van, and that is gonna be the end of our video. We hope you guys enjoyed seeing our time in Loreto and in Mesquite Canyon. We're still making our way south, so subscribe to follow along as we head towards Cancun, and we'll see you guys next time.
We safely made it back to the van and continued on to our next stop, La Paz. We'll see you there.